Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn off background application on the Android. So the process is pretty simple. If your Android application are running on the background and they are consuming your battery, then this thing is not good. And in this video I will give you the solution of it. So in this video I will show you how you can simply remove the application from your background. So if you have three button menu, you will see on the left or the right side are this type of the box. You have to tap on the box. But if you don't have three menu button, you have this type of the menu, you can simply tap on the left side like this, swipe up, and you will see all the apps running in the background. So how you can remove this or turn off, simply swipe to the up like this. So these apps will be turned off. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.